This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use your microphone on Roblox for Xbox. First, make sure your Roblox account is linked to your Xbox profile and that your age is set to 13 or above, as this is a strict requirement for voice chat. Next, confirm your microphone is securely plugged into your Xbox controller or console. Finally, access your Roblox privacy settings and toggle on the voice chat feature. These initial steps are crucial for getting started. Once your account is ready, launch Roblox on your Xbox. Within the game, you'll need to open the settings menu. Look for the privacy or communication section, and there you should find the voice chat toggle. Make sure this is switched to the on position. If your Xbox has multiple audio input devices, double-check that your preferred microphone is selected. This ensures your voice will be picked up correctly. Now that voice chat is enabled, join any Roblox experience that supports this feature. You'll often see a small microphone icon next to other players' names when they are speaking, indicating active voice communication. Simply speak clearly into your connected microphone to chat with others in the game. Remember to adjust your in-game voice chat volume settings if you find it too loud or too quiet, ensuring a comfortable and clear experience for everyone. If you encounter issues, a simple restart of your Xbox console and the Roblox application can often resolve minor glitches. Also, double-check your Xbox's system-level privacy settings to confirm that communication with other players is permitted. It's a good idea to test your microphone with another Xbox game or app to ensure it's working correctly outside of Roblox. Finally, verify your Roblox account hasn't received any voice chat restrictions, as this would prevent you from using the feature.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.